Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Well, I've been enjoying shape exploration in specialty formats lately. We looked at designing with hexagons in episode 633 and triangles in episode 609. So today we're exploring circles. I've got 4 examples to show you, so let's take a closer look. First up is a format called a TwoWay circular gatefold, and this specialty format finishes in a rectangular shape with a curved cover panel and opens up to a full circle. I really like the metallic inks and belly band that added some wow to an already cool fold. This format is also a natural carrier, and in this case, the circular gate acts more like an elegant wrap for the event invitation that's inside. Now let's look at another creative brochure format with a circular base shape. This is a circular tulip format, and what's particularly cool about this example is that they were able to fold perfectly on the classic Mercedes hood ornament image. The angled folds collapse the panels down into a unique shape when folded and a full circle when opened. This shape is not great for mail, but awesome as a leave behind or promotional brochure. Next up is a favorite of mine, the circular accordion. It finishes as a complete circle, but you can see here that both covers extend past the flat edge of the score to create an optical illusion of a full circle. So now we're playing with perimeter shape, a series of connected circles folded into an accordion. You get a cool reveal, great visual texture, and it's a very fun space to build a layout in from a design perspective. This format also fits nicely into a square envelope. Lastly, I've got something exceptionally exciting, and this spiraling accordion format uses angled scores and accordion folds to twist a long rectangular sheet into a full circle. I love how this one is really just a rectangle with scores, and yet it actually looks more elaborate than the other examples I've shared. You can see how the scores tip inward and outward and fold down to form the circle. This piece was inserted into a clear envelope with a large rectangular postcard to hold its shape for the mail. What's really cool about these samples is that they each approach the circle in a different way. 2 with base shape, 1 with perimeter shape, and 1 that achieves a circle by changing the angle and placement of the scores. Lots to think about, and you may want to go back and revisit episodes 633 and 609 to compare and contrast the different creative approaches for working with other geometric shapes as well. A very special thanks to the creators of the samples featured in this episode for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.